Thank you. What do we got here? What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I got a special video for you guys. If you guys watch my other videos, you know I'm always saying I share vegan recipes, food reviews, fitness videos, and vlogs. Well, today is one of those food reviews, and look what I got. I got Vivo Life's new Ritual plant-based protein powder. So this is different than the Vivo Life Perform because it's literally just protein powder, no superfoods, no mushrooms, none of that other stuff that they added before, which makes it a bit cheaper, but they did not skimp out on quality. It's still herbicide tested, pesticide tested, all that high quality stuff that you'd expect from Vivo Life. So let's jump right into the video. And real quick, if you guys are new to my channel and interested in vegan content, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you get 3 videos from me every week, and I would love to have you guys join the family. So if you guys are interested, click that little red button. It would mean the world to me. And let's get on with the video. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Got the new Ritual Vivo Life protein. 4 of them. Oh man. Let's go. Check it out, guys. So I got a smoothie filled with some walnuts, 1 Brazil nut, a bunch of blueberries, wild blueberries, creatine, oat milk, and we're gonna add some Ritual plant-based protein to it. All right, guys, time to take a sip. Man, I missed that for sure. Best protein powder, hands down. I can't even talk right now, I just keep drinking it. All right, guys, let us do this review. So I already tried the protein powder. You guys probably saw the clip already, and it is absolutely delicious. So it tastes pretty much just like the other one. I can't really tell a difference, and especially when you mix it in the smoothie, spot on. But I want to read you guys these ingredients because this is why Vivo Life is probably the best protein. They do third-party testing for all of their protein powders and all of their supplements, so no fungicides, no pesticides, no heavy metals, which is crucial because if you guys don't know, a study came out a few years ago and a lot of plant-based proteins had a ton of heavy metals in them. If you guys know anything about heavy metals, you don't want them in your body. Obviously, they're heavy metals like lead, mercury, I think arsenic. I'm not sure if that one's a metal, but that was in there, so you don't want any of that stuff in there. But this ingredient list is super clean. They use 3 different types of protein, and that is a pea protein blend, which is made from fermented yellow pea protein. And then we got cold pressed hemp protein. So you know it's extracted the best way. Cold pressed is the best way to extract it. And then quinoa protein powder. This is a new one. This was not in their old formula, I don't believe. So this is definitely new right here. And then of course we got natural flavoring, konjac, gluconen. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. Pink Himalayan sea salt. And then for the sweetener, they're using stevia extract, and then they have the Madagascan vanilla powder, which gives it that epic vanilla flavor. Super delicious. Oh, this is actually pretty cool too, guys. It's got 6.2 milligrams of your iron, so 34% of your daily value of iron, which is pretty beast. And then 20 grams of protein per serving, and it's even got 1.2 grams of fiber in there, so that's pretty cool. Not too much fat. It's 115 calories per serving. That's pretty cool, and there's 30 servings in here, so it's a good amount. And check this out, you guys, another cool reason why I support Vivo Life. So for every order on our website, we will plant 1 tree for the purpose of reforestation, agroforestry, and reducing extreme poverty for local villages. So that's for every single bag you buy, they're gonna do that. That's pretty cool. And I already pretty much explained these things, but just to give you guys the key features, which they have written on here: 30 servings, versatile and delicious in your favorite smoothies, shakes, and bakes. 20 grams of plant-based protein per serving, fermented and cold pressed. The most important part, in my opinion, third-party lab tested for heavy metals and over 500 different herbicides and pesticides. Exclamation mark. That's awesome. And of course, if you guys didn't know already, they are high in protein, gluten-free, soy-free, vegan, and non-GMO. So I got 4 bags. I only got 3 right here because I already opened the other one. I figured it wouldn't look as nice, but I got 4 bags total, and it was about $30 per bag since I got 4. So that's not a bad price at all. That's pretty typical for protein powder. And when you're getting high quality like this, I mean, honestly, you cannot beat it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear what you have to say. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.